Morning, Daniel here. How are you guys doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Over in the tire shop, huh? No. Getting the tire replaced. Have it all jacked up. Got 4 new tires. Hopefully the car will drive even better. This is the tire graveyard here. Or if you want to use tire. It's a nice custom job here. No engine. Must be a Honda. Looks like a Honda. Yeah, so this is located in St. Catherine. This particular mechanic shop. They do tires and also they do repairs, and I think they also sell cars. So they're breaking the bead off the tire. I'm looking on tire rims.
I'm a virgin father, you know. Yeah, man.
Sorry,
You
that.
don't know what you know.
Cleaning the bead on the rim. They want to spend money. dots are the outside of the tire, and the dots also represent where you put the tire valve, so the balancing is easier. I think the yellow one is where you put the valve, so balancing is easier. These are the old tires here. The old ones outside. That's where they're doing the balancing of the tire in the back there, with all the numbers. This is the tire that came off. I don't know why you have all that in there. Must ask the tire guy, why is all this? It's all that. Inside the tire. So what's the story with this black stuff in the tire? Is that normal?
No, one or two reasons could cause that. If you drive on the tire when it was soft, that could cause that. If you drove on it,
She did one time.
but that's why the dust is in there.
So the tire gentleman was explaining to me, if you drive your tire on flat, this is what you get. It just breaks the tires up from the inside. And maybe that's why I was getting a problem with the tire. Look at that. As you can see, the tire tread it's good. But we had all that buildup in the tire. And if you could see, that's where it had a flat at the time, and it was patched there. So that's why this tire was giving a lot of problem. Look at the amount of tire shavings. Can't believe it. I would have never known that.
One up is not it. Just one up. One up guys.
second tire. Let's have it. This side of the tire, one of them. So this tire tread. It's uneven. Tire soap. That's called tire soap. This here, folks, is the new tire that we put on. Like I was mentioning to you, this line with the tire valve represent where it's easier to balance. And also the front of the tire. The manufacturer put the stickers on. Oh, pick up something already. Very soft rubber. So there we are, folks, at the tire shop again. Nice, warm and sunny day.
Your tires are so wobbling, sir.
But it's not gonna. You think it's okay? It's not going to wobble no more?
No,
So
it's balanced up to 25. Like it shows me 0.25. That is nothing. So it's good.
okay, we'll try it and see, right?
Yeah.
If not, I'll bring it back. What's the warranty? What's the warranty on it?
What's the warranty?
On the balancing?
For the balancing?
Yeah. Well, I'll take it on the road and test drive it and see what's happening.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. All right, hold on. All right.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, that's why that ought to move up on an extra gear.
That caliper sees, no? The bolt is it?
The bolt, yeah.
Oh, the bolt.
That's it. Okay, Bobby, let me sign this here. Really going to take out one? Really on it?
No, everything on the field.
Pull out those on the next side.
Yeah.
It's completely worn out. So that was the only tire that gives that problem? That one rim?
The both rear, which I put it on rear,
Is rear.
both one. This is done, so it should be C25 equally. I tried to make it 0. That's not the tire problem or machine reading problem. That's a low problem. Maybe your car hit in a bump or something. That time it's gonna be a little bit unbalanced.
So these weights you gotta, it's glued on.
Yep. This one is just little bit. Those ones are more.
That's good, eh? Oh, 25.
That is going on front, so it should be 0. Otherwise, it's gonna be giving little bit safe when you are driving on a high speed, more than 110.
So this is gonna go in the front?
I got enough. Oh, whatever. Show me what else you got here. Oh, fuck. Play with it, right?
Yeah.
Of course. You put new shoes in, right? What are the rear pads like? I'm wearing still close. I move my fucking foot. Okay, they pass.
What?
Grab some of that emery paper. Fuck that, brother. Leak it anyways.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, he's been tired. Brakes.
This will go right.
Where's the other back? Oh, here.
That is good.
these front tires.
Put in the slip bar,
Well, he definitely needs an alignment. Not for safety, but you should do it. If he gives us decent tires, get a measure across the form if he wants. Good practice, after bringing the car for safety, take it down the highway. I want to know some bearing points.
Oh, okay.
Then when you get off the highway at Glendale, you know where it's supposed to, all right?
Yeah.
Get in and do it again. But yeah, that's
Yo, I really don't like driving people's car, eh?
You think I do?
Because you know what? They don't have insurance sometimes.
We did. We put our dealer plate on
This
it.
one has to pay.
Put our dealer plate on it.
We'd have to take off the plates off the car.
Well, just put it over the damn thing, whatever. I know you're not supposed to have two different plates,
Mm.
but let's put it this way, you're covering your ass. Doesn't matter, fine. You're doing your due diligence by carrying an insured license plate
Yeah.
on the car. You know what I mean?
Alright.
But yeah, I don't. Half your buddies' cars, I get in, they go down and I'm way the fuck back. I can't drive like that. Sit up. Cracker wants to be upright. Poppy wants to see older than that and steering wheel not.
Good.
Yeah, I don't play. Speed, I move. I don't foresee the work before I do it. I get work to do. I do some line up myself.
You want the old tires back or sir what?
No, I don't. Don't forget the cap and the rim.
On those ones?
Yeah.
The tires?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just remind you. I'm a old retired mechanic, you know.
No, I know.
Yeah.
I know. Bobby told me.
I have been doing it since I was a young boy.
Okay. Good.
That's why I put him in it too. Now he's got his license.
Right. Yeah, that's good, man.
He went to school and study, and he got it now. But
Yeah. Well, I do a lot. I do a little of everything. I is more a body man. I is a more welder.
yeah,
Yeah, I'm a body deal with, you know. But I do mechanic too.
well, I went to training since I came to Canada for welding
Okay.
in 81, 82, I think it was.
Yeah. But I never went nowhere.
Stick welding, stick and arc.
I do all.
You do TIG, right?
I do everything, you know.
Yeah. So that's the story. We're almost finished here with the tire jobs. The guys are putting away the tools and torquing the tires. £120, right? You say?
110.
110. Oh yeah, that's what I was wondering. 110 is what we need.
All good, sir.
Excellent. Thanks for the
Thank you so much.
terrific job. Yep. See you. There, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video about changing tires in the tire shop. Until the next video, have a safe one. Drive safe. Bye for now.